Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add professional product labels to your WooCommerce store, things like selling fast, a live savings badge, a new tag for specific categories, and a low stock warning that updates automatically. Before I walk you through the setup, let me quickly show you the final result on the live store so you know what we're building. Navigate to Sale Booster, open the Badges tab and click Add New. Set a name for your label. Next, browse the Quick Badge section and select the badge style you want to use. Now, let's adjust the placement. Set the label position by entering 7 pixels for both the top and left spacing. Navigate over to the Products and Conditions tab. For this label, we want it everywhere, so select All Products. Click Save. Now visit your store and you'll see the Selling Fast label displayed on all products in the shop page. Go back to the Badges tab and click Add New. Enter a name for the label. Select a label design from Quick Badges. I'll also change the label color to make it stand out. Set the top and left position values to 7 pixels. Now open the Products and Conditions tab. This time, select Is on Sale and set the condition to Yes. Save your changes. Now the dynamic Save Saved Price label is automatically displayed on products that are currently on sale. If multiple labels appear on the same product, you can control which one is shown first. Simply return to the Badges tab. From the Badges table, set the label order number. Labels with order 0 are displayed first, order 1 is displayed second. Set the Selling Fast label order to 1 so it appears as the second label when multiple badges are displayed on the same product. Now the Savings badge appears first because it has a higher priority. Go back to the Badges tab and click Add New. Enter a label name. Choose a modern badge from Quick Badges. Set the position to 7 pixels from the top and 7 pixels from the left. Go to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Categories. Choose Included. Then select the categories where you want this label to appear. Save your changes. Now when we view products in those categories, the new label is displayed automatically. Navigate to Sale Booster. Open the Badges tab and click Add New. Enter a name for the label. Choose a badge design. In the label text field, enter only a quantity a left. Set the badge position to 7 pixels from the top and left. Navigate to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Quantity. Choose Less Equal To. I'll enter 5 as the threshold. Save the badge. Now the label appears only on products with a stock quantity of 5 or less. And just like before, if several labels are displayed together, you can control their priority using the order value. Labels with an order of 0 are displayed first, and labels with higher order numbers are shown after them. Refresh the store to see the updated badge order. You've learned how to create selling fast, saved_price, new, and only a quantity left labels in WooCommerce using Sale Booster. These labels are a great way to highlight promotions, showcase new products, and create urgency that can help increase conversions. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana Plugins or Product Badge, Label, Countdown Timer for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Sale Booster. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. Navigate to Sale Booster. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.